Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the SCSR Compound Garage. And today we have a new sponsor for the channel. You can see sitting right here on top of the Model S Plaid, another tiny Model S Plaid. And then right next to it, our new sponsor, Chemical Guys. And Chemical Guys was so kind, they sent us this leather conditioner and this leather cleaner to show you guys. We're gonna show you how to use this today, right here on the 2023 Tesla Model S Plaid and right behind you on the 2014 Club Car Precedent. There's specific directions for using this stuff and we're gonna show you that today. So hang out with us on Supercar Street Racing while we detail the inside of the Model S Plaid and the golf cart. Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, guys. You can see we're out here in the garage with our Chemical Guys leather conditioner and leather cleaner. They were super nice and they sent us this to show you guys. They're trying to get the word out about their great products. So today we're going to give you guys a look at these two products right here in the SCSR garage. Now there's a certain way you need to apply these. There's a certain order and a certain way you have to do it. So we're going to show you today the correct way to do it because we're actually going to detail the inside of the Model S Plaid. Now we try to keep this Model S Plaid really clean. It only has about 2,000 miles on it. And so we drive it on the weekends only and we keep it detailed and nice here. But today we're going to take it one step further. We're going to use the Chemical Guys leather conditioner on the seats. It does not need to be clean, but it does need to be leather conditioned every few weeks. So we're going to go ahead and show you that right now. We are coming to you live now from inside the Tesla and we have the Chemical Guys leather conditioner right here with us to show you guys. And we want to show you how to actually use this as well while we have time. So the instructions do say take the leather conditioner and grab a nice soft towel and then just take and put a couple of stripes, 2 or 3 stripes directly onto the towel like this. Okay. Now we do have a couple of stripes right on the towel here to go ahead and start working with. And all you have to do is work it into the seats. And when you're done, you can actually buff it off and dry it. And then you can do a second application if you really feel like it. So yeah, you just take your towel and you put about 2 or 3 stripes of this stuff right on the towel and then you work it into the surface. We're gonna go ahead and start with this Model S door panel right here. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this down a little bit because I did put quite a bit on it. So I'm just gonna knock it into both sides here so it's not so thick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to put it directly on the door panel right there. See it going on with a nice finish there. I'm going to go ahead and get all over the door panel with this stuff and you can already see that it's drying. Don't forget to get into the cracks everywhere that you would normally touch to keep it clean, and the sides too. Now if you'd like to, you can go ahead and wipe that off as well. You can buff that right off just like that. And that door panel is completely done. All right guys, here is the front of the Model S and we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of the Chemical Guys leather conditioner on my rag here. I'm gonna turn it over first. And this time I'm not gonna put quite as much on it. I'm just gonna put a couple little stripes here. Should be good enough. And now let's go ahead and apply it to our seats, but let's put the seat forward a little bit so you guys can see it better. And we'll go ahead and start. Get it worked into the towel a little bit and go ahead and start conditioning the seats on the Plaid. Actually go up a little bit more here. And flip it over and do the bottoms. I'm going to take my dry cloth now and go ahead and buff the whole seat out. And the front seat is done. I'm going to go ahead and take the opportunity to do some protectant now on other parts of the front here. Yes, let's go ahead and get the protectant. All right, I am using standard protectant on the rest of the stuff here on the Plaid, the stuff that is not material. This is not chemical, guys. It was not sponsored. So this is just my stuff. I'm gonna hop in and finish the rest of that part that I can't see, but I am gonna do the dash with the chemical guys. All right, we're on the other side of the Model S. We're gonna go ahead and put some leather conditioner on our rag and do this other seat for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it into the rag so it doesn't splotch a lot. Move the seat forward a little bit and go ahead and apply. And I'm gonna go ahead and rub that into the dash. And now I am going to get this underneath of the dash here. Now you guys just saw me clean the whole inside of this Tesla Model S Plaid with the Chemical Guys leather conditioner, but we got to take this one step further because we need to show you guys how to use the leather cleaner. So what we're going to do with the leather cleaner today is we're going to turn our attention to our Club Car Precedent over here. We're going to clean all the seats and then condition them with the leather conditioner. So one step at a time, let's get busy now with the leather cleaner on the Club Car Precedent. We're back in front of the golf cart. You guys can see we have the Chemical Guys leather conditioner and the Chemical Guys leather cleaner sitting so fresh here. This time though, we're going to go ahead and clean the seats with the Chemical Guys leather conditioner, and per the instructions, you shake well, you spray the leather cleaner on a microfiber cloth, and then you wipe the leather cleaner into the surface to remove the dirt. Let's go ahead and get our microfiber cloth out, fold it up, go ahead and spray some of the leather cleaner on it. And we'll go ahead and clean this leather. Does have a little dirt coming off of it. And that's all there was to that. And we'll flip it to the other side because there was some dirt on that seat. This cart is out in the garage all the time, so it is going to get dirty. All right. That is the leather cleaner for the front. Now let's go ahead and get a clean cloth. We'll put a few stripes of leather conditioner on the cloth, and then we'll go ahead and condition these seats. And you can see it soaking into the leather already. Flip the towel over, put a few more in it, and the top seat is done. Let's move down to the bottom seat. Flip towel over again. I put way too much on that. That will be enough for the front and the back. I'm going to put some of this on this other towel for the back. Let's go ahead and do the bottom seat. All right, the front of the golf cart is finished. Let's do the back now. We're back at the rear of the golf cart, and we are going to start with the leather cleaner. Let's go ahead and spray some on our rag here and wipe down this top seat. Be careful of the tiny Tesla. And that is clean. That just needs to dry. I'm going to flip my rag over and do the same to the bottom. That will get all the grease and contaminant off the seat and clean it and get it ready to be conditioned. Top's already drying, bottom is done, and this rag is also done. The top is dry. I've already got some leather conditioner on my towel. I'm going to go ahead and rub that into the seat at the top. You can see that's plenty. I had a bunch on my rag, and I'm just going to let that dry however it wants to dry. And then I'm going to flip my rag over, put a little bit more on the back, and go ahead and rub the bottom seat as well. You can see that it takes all of 2 seconds to do the seats on this golf cart. And now the bottom seat is done, and if you want to, you can grab a dry rag and wipe off the excess. If not, you can let it dry naturally, but you can buff it out like this. And that is that. Back out here in the garage, and you guys did just see us clean and condition the seats on the 2014 Club Car, and you can see how good they came out using the approved methods by Chemical Guys. We went ahead and cleaned all the seats first, and then we followed it up with a nice coating of the leather conditioner by applying it to our towel first, and then going ahead and rubbing it on the seats afterwards. We want to go ahead and thank the Chemical Guys for being so gracious and contributing to Supercar Street Racing. Guys, do us a big favor. We'll put links down in the description for this. Make sure that you order everything from the approved links from Supercar Street Racing. You can order anything you want from Amazon through our links, and it helps us out greatly. In this case, we might put an affiliate link for the actual supplier that gave us this. Go ahead and order it from them. It'll do them a big favor as well. And check out the Chemical Guys products down in the description and pick yourself up some. Now let's throw it over to the 4K production studio with Brad and see how you can get this stuff online. You guys just saw me out in the garage taking a look at the Chemical Guys premium leather auto conditioner and leather cleaner, and we are so proud to be partnered here with Premium Auto to bring you these two products today. Now the leather conditioner is awesome. I used it on the interior of the Model S Plaid without doing the leather cleaning first, but I did use the leather cleaner on the Precedent golf cart. It came out awesome. I love this stuff. You can see right here on the screen our partnership with Premium Auto, and here is the actual Amazon link for this stuff, but I am going to put Premium Auto links in the description. So go ahead and order yours through the link and help out Supercar Street Racing greatly. We're going to get out of here right now. It's almost dinner time and I haven't had anything to eat, but please support the channel, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.